Now, imagine spending 1 shilling to cover a distance of 1 kilometer. It sounds impossible and unthinkable, but it's actually happening. Chinese electric motorbike maker Omnivoltaic Energy Solutions is betting on the high cost of fuel to capture the heart of bike enthusiasts and expand into the region. Trevor Ng'endo is attending the ongoing UN Habitat Assembly in Gigiri and filed the following report.
With every dawn, the global future of mobility appears to be electric. According to research by American consulting firm McKinsey, in the next 3 decades, only 20% of all vehicle sales globally will be powered by combustion engines. The electric shift is being driven by China and the United States. Last week, President William Ruto announced the government's plan to introduce electric motorcycles in a move that is set to reduce the transport cost for Kenyans and reduce petroleum-reliant transport.
By September this year, we will have a mechanism where you can get your boda that does not need petrol, that will be run on electricity, one that is financed by not a predatory system, but one that respects the interests of those who purchase the borders.
Chinese-based electric energy solutions firm Omnivoltaic says the benefits of electric motorcycles far more exceed those of diesel-powered bikes.
For every liter of normal gas, you can ride something like 35 to 40 kilometers, and that will cost you around 180, 190 shillings. For the same distance using electricity, it costs you roughly 30 shillings. So it's a big cost differential comparing traditional fuel with electricity.
The company says its 4-kilowatt battery offers a range of 100 kilometers, which is up to 600 shillings cheaper than normal bikes.
We want to make sure not only you can have a brand new electric bike, you can also possibly swap out the traditional engine and insert a electrical drivetrain into a traditional bike.
The company is looking for local partners who can assist in converting and installing electric drivetrains to engine motorcycles. Kenyan EB, an electric bicycle seller, is calling for more financing options to enable more individuals and businesses to afford the bicycles, which are currently retailing at least 100,000 shillings.
The reception has not been so much easy because it's a new concept in the market. To purchase the bike might be expensive. The advantageous part of it is on the maintenance cost. It might even come at $0 per month.
The world of electric mobility has been abuzz with all sorts of innovations as manufacturers try to come up with solutions that could address the global challenge of carbon emissions. And if you are a frequent transporter of cargo within the capital city, then this here could be a viable option for you at a cost of 120,000 Kenyan shillings. Trevor Ng'endo for Prime Edition at the UN headquarters, Nairobi.